We know how a function is built up from a set of instructions and an argument, and a composite function is no different, except for now the argument is not just a variable, but a function of a variable. Consider this function here. We know whatever argument we write in these brackets will occupy these brackets here. Now suppose we put the argument x squared into the function. We know that the result will be this. What we have created here is a composite function, because the argument that we have chosen, x squared, can itself be written as a function of the variable x. Let's call that function g of x and substitute it into the expression. Look at the new way we write this function now. We prefer to write it in this composite form, as a function within a function, because we can keep using the simple variable x rather than x squared. To emphasize, the key to composite functions is that the argument of the outer function is a function itself, and I'll make this clear with two examples. Here I go through the two variations of questions you will get with composite functions. First, we are asked to build the two composite functions f(g) of x and g(f) of x from these definitions here. To find f(g) of x, we consider what f would look like with no argument. We then write down what g of x is, and we simply sub g of x into the empty brackets which we have left. Likewise, for g(f) of x, we write g without an argument. We write down f of x, and we fill it into the blank. The second question asks us to find the value of a composite function with a numerical argument. With the same procedure, we write the outer function g with no argument. Next, we write down what h of 10 is, this time replacing the z in the definition with the number 10. Now we just sub it into the blank, and this time we get a numerical answer, which is 5.76. To summarize, the key to solving composite functions is to write the outer function with no argument, just brackets where the argument will go. 2. Write the inner function down with the appropriate argument. And 3. Input what you've written in 2 into the empty brackets you've left in 1. There you've built your composite function.